Alright, we are now going to fasten off. You'll grab your scissors. I like these. They have a nice cap for them here. Keep them safe. Nice and simple. We're going to leave a 5-6 inch tail here on both of them, so you can do both your main color and the ecru. Put your scissors aside, and we're going to take the ecru tail, wrap around, and pull it all the way through. And pull that nice and snug right there. There you have it. That is the fasten off. And you are now ready to weave in the tails.